Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. My name is iamtompte. I hope you are doing well. I hope you're fine. I'm fine, and today I want to show you how to use Notion to organize your week. If you are a student, or you are a lecturer, or you are a teacher, or maybe you are just someone that wants productivity, that wants to be organized, then this video is for you. So first of all, what we need to do is to head over to Notion. What you need to do is to click on this add page. All right, so once you've clicked on add page, you are going to see this option, like this new page untitled. So we are working on a week. All right, so we are working on how to organize our week. So what we need to do is to give a name that is related to what we are working on. So I'm going to invent a random week. I'm not sure that week exists, but I'm going to use a random week just for the sake of this video. So I'm going to put week, okay, week of October, week of October 2nd to October 8th. All right, so now that we've created our title, what we need to do next is to create, like, to write the days of the week. So we need to write Monday, Tuesday, the last one is anything that we can put. All right, you just put like important. All right, important. Okay, so we have the days of the week and we put important. So important is just like maybe during the week we have something that you don't want to forget, so you label it as important. Okay, so guys, after you've written everything, then we need to bold every single day in this week. So you double click on it and you press Ctrl B, double click, press Ctrl B, and then so on. Perfect. All right, so now we need to change the colors. All right, we need to change the colors of the days of the week. So you can give them any color you feel like giving. Okay, so feel free. So you need to click on these 6 dots on the left of Monday and then go to color and then give it any color you want. So I'm going to pick red. Okay, oh, I pick purple anyways. Now you can now pick another color, yellow, for this one, and give important a gray color. Right, so everything is already colored. So what's next is for us to change how they are placed, okay, how they are positioned. So for us to do that, we need to come over to this place, over to Tuesday. As you can see Tuesday here, look at the left side. If you see the 6 dots, just click on it and then drag it over to this side. All right, so you can see that it's now beside Monday. So we are going to do the same thing for Wednesday. Okay, so Wednesday we'll bring it over here, and then we'll bring Friday over here, and then we'll leave important under everything. Okay, so after we've already written everything and changed their positions, what we need to do next is, like, we need to put first of all urgent. All right, because under every day we are going to have important things to do. So that's why we are going to write urgent for every single day, and then like put for every single day urgent. All right, so what we need to do now is, like, we need to write urgent. So we have 3 urgent now, so you need to select them. Okay, now you need to copy, and then you can see that we have 3 days, and 1. So now you just need to copy and paste here. Okay, so what you need to do again is paste again. Right, so now you have so many audience. Okay, so you can click on it, drag it, yeah, not like this, sorry, click it and then drag it, make sure it's under Monday. All right, so do the same thing for Tuesday, do the same thing for Wednesday. Now that we have everything with urgent under them, then we now need to put like a to-do list. All right, under every day we have different things that we need to check as we get them completed. So we need to create a to-do list, and then for us to do so we need to create different cases, okay, different boxes, sorry. So what we need to do is, like, first of all, we create the first to-do list. So we need to click on this and then come to to-do list. All right, so you can put number 1. I'm just putting number 1 for the sake of this video, but you can put different things, like different tasks that you want to complete in Monday, Tuesday, depending on your task. We are going to copy this and then paste. Okay, so this for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So we need to do it 1 2 3 4 5 times. Okay, all right, so now what we need to do is we need to select and then drag it under Monday. All right, and then do the same thing here. All right, so we are good now. So week of October 2nd to October 8th, and then we have Monday, Tuesday, we have all the dates here. All right, the days here, we have all the days here. So we've already put the urgent, okay, and then put the task, different tasks to complete in the day, and yeah, that's it. So what we are going to use is Notion function, which is called toggle list. So what's toggle list? This is toggle list right here. Okay, toggle list. So it's used to hide things. Okay, the function that is used to hide things. For example, if I put something like, maybe I put example and I want to hide something under it, then I can come here and then put good, just an example, and then you can hide it, show it. All right, so this is the function we are going to use for our new task. So now we need to change this example to lectures. All right, and then the next thing is activities. You can put any activity, okay, and then the last thing is personal projects. Okay, personal, or let's put personal plans, or project is better, personal projects. Okay, so now what we need to do is to select and move it like we did before. Okay, move it under this. Perfect. So guys, as you can see, we have our week already well prepared in advance. So that's just how you can prepare for the week. Okay, you can keep this for yourself for every single week. Okay, so I think this is the best way to stay productive, and as a student, to stay productive as a student, as a lecturer, as any type of person that you are. I think it's very important to have a template like this to manage our week and everything. So I hope you like the video. If you do, please do like it, subscribe to the channel, comment something else below. Yes, if you want me to do another video like this, a tutorial, then let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching. Bye.